Boeing's CEO Dave Calhoun is overseeing the company's annual meeting today, where he's expected to discuss big changes for the Dow component. Phil LeBeau joins us now with more. Hey, Phil.
Hey, Joe, this is a big week for Boeing. You've got the annual meeting today, first quarter results on Wednesday, and then remember May 1st, which is what, Friday? That's the deadline for the application for any government assistance in the pool of money that's been set aside for companies like Boeing. So as you take a look at shares of Boeing, yeah, it's down more than 60% in the last year, but at the annual meeting, which is a virtual annual meeting today, there's nobody getting together as they usually do here in Chicago. Dave Calhoun is going to outline in broad strokes really what they're looking at is two bridges, a near-term bridge for the short-term liquidity issues hitting the company, and then a longer-term bridge for the fact that you've got an airline industry that's far different. So that comes down to adjusting expectations. There's going to be a new outlook for demand. We may not get specifics today. That may come on Wednesday when the results are reported. And, of course, the issue of fixing the 737 MAX. As we reported on Friday, the 737 MAX timeline, that has started to creep a little bit to the right. They have said all along, look, by the middle of this year, we expect it to be ungrounded. Now it's more likely you're looking at an ungrounding, at least their target initially, or not initially, as of right now, is for late summer ungrounding. And, of course, all of this depends on what happens as they work with the FAA and regulators around the world. As you take a look at shares of Boeing, since Dave Calhoun took over on January 13th, remember that they also announced on Saturday that they are ending their joint venture deal, the $4.2 billion deal for Boeing and EMBRAER to form a joint venture where they are going to be making small airplanes, small commercial airplanes. That's not happening anymore. Boeing says that, the deal could not be put together, and so it's ending that deal. EMBRAER says Boeing broke the agreement. That'll probably play out over the next couple of months here. And don't forget, we get the first quarter results on Wednesday. That is really when we're going to get a lot of the details about what to expect with Boeing, not only near term, but longer term.